Who is Donald Trump? Very interesting topic. Halkan ayaan kusoo gudbinaa halkan ayaan ku akhrin doonaa wax af Soomaali ahna mudul saari doono waa only English oo kali ah. Insha Allah sharaxaadiis haddii aad rabto commentiga ugu horeeya ayay taalaa kanaalka weyn ee Way Arag Academy ayaan soo geliyay anigoo English to Soomaali ku sharxaya laakiin halkan waan akhrin doonaa oo kaliya si dhanka listeningka uu aad kaaga la saacido insha Allah. Okay? Welcome to today's video. We are going to learn about the life of Donald Trump. This will be a simple and easy to understand biography for practicing your English listening. Let's get started. Donald Trump was born on June 14th in 1946 in Queens, a part of New York City. His full name is Donald John Trump. He was born into a big family. His father's name was Fred Trump, and he was a very successful businessman who built houses in New York. Trump's mother's name was Mary Trump, and she was from Scotland. Donald had 4 siblings. He was the 4th child in the family. His siblings were Marion, Fred Jr., Elizabeth, and Robert. Donald was raised in a wealthy family, but he was also taught to work hard. Donald Trump went to Kew Forest School when he was young. Later, he went to a military academy called New York Military Academy. He went there because his father thought it would teach him discipline and help him become a strong person. After that, Donald went to Fordham University in New York for 2 years. Then he transferred to a Wharton School of the University of Pennsylvania, which is a very famous business school. He graduated with a degree in economics in 1968. After finishing school, Donald Trump started working for his father's business called the Trump Organization. He was given the job of running the business and building new things. Donald's father had already made a lot of money by building houses, so Donald took that money and expanded the business. In 1970s, Donald Trump began working on his first big project. In the 1980s, Donald Trump started building more famous buildings. He built Trump Tower, a huge skyscraper in New York City. It became one of the most famous buildings in the world. He was on TV and in magazines. People saw him as a rich, powerful person. Donald Trump's life is not only about business. He also had 3 marriages and many children. Let's talk about his family. In 1977, Donald Trump married a woman named Ivana. She was from Czechoslovakia. Ivana was a model, and she helped Donald with his business. They had 3 children: Donald Trump Jr., born in 1977, Ivanka Trump, born in 1981, Eric Trump, born in 1984. But after 15 years of marriage, Donald and Ivana got a divorce in 1992. They separated, but they still stayed close for the sake of their children. In 1983, Donald Trump married Marla, who was an actress. They had 1 daughter together named Tiffany Trump, and she was born in 1993. In 1993. In 2005, Donald Trump married Melania, a model from Slovenia, and she was Trump's 3rd wife. Together, they had 1 son named Barron Trump, born in 2006. Barron is the youngest of Donald Trump's children. Donald Trump is also a grandfather. His children have children, so he has many grandchildren. He loves spending time with his family. Donald Trump's life is full of business success. After he finished school and worked with his father, he started building his own empire. In the 1970s, Donald Trump started to build big buildings. His first major project was a hotel called the Commodore Hotel in New York City. This was Donald Trump's first big success in New York. It helped him become known in the business world. Donald faced a lot of challenges, but he kept working hard to keep his business going. In the 1990s, he faced some financial struggles. He worked hard and was able to solve the problem and make his business success again. By the 2000s, Donald Trump became not only known as a businessman, but he also as someone who was interested in politics. He often talked about running for president, but he never took that step. In 2015, Donald Trump made a big decision. He announced that he was going to run for president of the United States. Many people were surprised because he had never been in politics before. But Donald Trump was confident. He believed that his experience in business would help him lead the country. During his campaign, he promised to make America great again. He talked about creating more jobs, building a wall to stop illegal immigration, and being tough on trade with other countries. In 2016, Donald Trump shocked the world by winning the presidential election. He ran against Hillary Clinton, the former Secretary of the State. Many people thought Hillary Clinton would win, but Donald Trump won the election and became the 45th President of the United States. In 2020, Donald Trump ran for a second term as a president. He faced Joe Biden, a former vice president. Donald Trump worked hard, but Joe Biden won the election. After the election, Donald Trump and his supporters believed the election was unfair, even though there was no evidence of cheating. On January 2021, Donald Trump left the White House. He did not attend Joe Biden's inauguration ceremony, which is the ceremony where the new president takes office. After leaving office, Donald Trump went back to his business life. Donald Trump is still a very well-known person. His business continues and he has many supporters around the world. His story shows that hard work and confidence make possible to achieve great things. Even after losing an election, he continues to influence the world. That's today's video. Until next time, bye bye.